Why does people keep saying this is stolen? Just look, I interact with this. I can move it. I can do everything. I even put things here for it to move. And even a mess on it. And even this to like feels real, and I even drew the ground. Can just type draw here in the bottom. How is this? So if you think this is a stolen video, what I'm literally controlling right now, I can type it. My account. I can type my account. I can't type my channel to see. So I'm just gonna type it. Guys, this is me. So, how is this fake? Bro, how? Like, bro, how is this stolen? I worked hard for this.